This is a brief illustration of how you can use a Tobii T60 eye tracker and Tobii Studio software to find usability problems on an online store website. The Tobii eye tracking system is so portable that the test room could be a mall, a cafe, or any other place where you have easy access to participants with the appropriate profiles. Setting up the system is really easy and takes less than 10 minutes. The laptop is equipped with Tobii Studio software, which is a complete usability test suite. It supports the entire research process. It records not only eye tracking data, but also the screen, the participant's voice, facial expressions, mouse clicks, keystrokes, and more. Setup is now complete. Our first respondent takes her place in front of the Tobii T60 eye tracker. After a quick calibration of the eye tracker, the participant is given the first task. Compare two digital cameras of your choice. The participant is left alone to complete the task, without being interrupted by questions or losing focus while trying to express her thoughts. The test leader can look at the gaze in real time, making observations as the test goes on. If you have a viewing room, you can invite other stakeholders to observe. Looking at the participant's gaze in real time will captivate them and immerse them in the user experience. Once the tasks are done, it's time for a retrospective Think Aloud interview, or RTA. Tobii Studio will replay the participant's gaze while recording the interview. The gaze replay works as a memory cue, helping the participant to remember what she was thinking while solving the task. In qualitative usability testing using eye tracking, the number of participants usually varies from 5 to 15. We are using 8 participants in this study. In most cases, this is enough to find all important usability problems. The last participant has left, and it's time to analyze the recordings. In Tobii Studio, we find tools to replay, structure, analyze, and visualize the recordings. We start by adding observations such as confused or having a problem to our recordings. We then have instant access to replays and visualizations of critical parts of the user experience. Heat maps and gaze plots show how the participants navigate the website and where they turn their attention. In this case, the gaze plot describes the behavior of a typical user and indicates where the participants would have liked to see a link that allows comparisons. This is also confirmed by the retrospective Think Aloud interviews. Our suggestion is to put a button that says, Compare Cameras, here, on the Camera Overview page. We export animated gaze plot and heat map sequences that show some typical behavior. These are ideal for presenting typical behavior visually and backing up the conclusions in the report. Creating your report with conclusions supported by eye tracking is easy. Just copy and paste it into a PowerPoint presentation. You will end up with an objective, reliable, easy to grasp, and convincing report. You're done. The report can now speak for itself. Do you need additional information on what else Tobii eye tracking systems can do in usability testing? Would you like to schedule a Tobii eye tracker demonstration, methodology consultancy, or a training session? Would you like to receive a quote for purchase or rent of a Tobii eye tracking system? Just contact us.